The Cloudalign pillow is marketed as TikTok's top-selling ergonomic pillow, promising chiropractor-approved support, cooling comfort, and better sleep. On the surface, it looks like a premium product with features like dual height zones and an arm tunnel for side sleepers. But here's the reality. Much of the hype comes from aggressive social media marketing, not unique design. While some buyers say it's comfortable, others report it feels like a standard memory foam pillow, nothing revolutionary. What's more, similar pillows with nearly identical designs are available from multiple sellers online, often at lower prices. That raises questions about whether Mellow Sleep is simply rebranding a generic product, not and selling it at premium price, and it's not a premium in most cases because it has generic materials. So this isn't a scam, guys, but uh, it is not the miracle TikTok makes it out to be. So you're mostly paying for marketing hype, not groundbreaking sleep technology.